Good morning. Today is Sunday, and now we will make a video about paralegal works to lawyers and clients and um, judges. So now we will have a problem. Let's say I am your paralegal, then you have a case involving physical injury. And you are in doubt what will be the correct charges that must be filed in the court, even whether it is physical injury, direct assault, or direct assault with agent of authority. So let's try to discuss one by one. So in physical injury, for example, you are being uh, uh, kick or punch, or you have a fist fight or a brawl, then uh, we must consider the fact of uh, damage on your physical body. So, if you cannot work for more than 3 days, then that for sure uh, serious physical injury. But if you have just uh, scratches, then you can still work. Then that's slight physical injuries. So, if, for example, you are a person in authority, let's say you are a barangay captain or barangay kagawad or Ijus Dim Generis, then you are being assaulted by a civilian, then that is direct assault. So, as paralegal, what I will tell you to uh, go for the lawyer, you must tell direct assault if you are a barangay kagawad or uh, a barangay captain. Otherwise, if you are just a plain layman, then you will charge physical injuries or slight physical injuries depending to the degree of damage on your body, if you can work for more than 3 days or not. And if you are a civilian but you were assisting, for example, there is a elementary teacher or high school teacher that was being attacked and assaulted by the parents of their pupils or students, then you must, and let's say you are the civilian, a woman civilian who helped the, let's say, the teacher is either male or female, old or in 20s or 30s. Then, even though you are civilian, you can charge to the court with the help of the lawyer that you will find. Then, it's direct assault to person in authority with its agent. So, obviously, all of that crimes are all available. And aside from that, it is uh, it is with fines and years of imprisonment. So you must determine first if your uh, crime is physical injury or direct assault. So as paralegal, we determine the proper charge. Then you go to the nearest lawyer that you know. Then file a case uh, against the perpetrators. So that's it. Good day, God bless, and happy Sunday. Remember, you must not sleep or sit on your right. You must use and stand for your right. That's it. Thank you. God bless. And please like and share.